Welcome to your English class. Children, in the previous video, I had explained to you half of the lesson, The Enemy, from your book Vistas. I hope all of you have understood that portion of the lesson. And also, you all are reading the text simultaneously. Children, I had explained till where Dr. Sadao Koki decides to reveal to the governor of Japan the presence of the American prisoner of war at his place. Let us understand the text further. Children, on the seventh day after having taken in the prisoner of war by the Sadaos, the servants of the household they had decided to leave as a mark of protest for giving shelter to an American to an enemy. But Sadao, even though accepting that the American was his enemy, he refused to turn his patient away because he had been trained to save lives. It was his duty, it was his profession, it was his conscience that could not refuse to take care of a patient. He had been trained to save lives. However, the servants they left with their belongings, and Hannah she had to take upon herself all the chores of the household. She did all the household chores on her own. In the afternoon, on the same day, a messenger came. Hannah was terrified. She ran to Sadao thinking that the servants must have disclosed the information about the prisoner that was there in their house. But actually, the messenger he had come to fetch Sadao to treat the general who was in pain. Seeing Hannah in distress, Sadao now decided to get rid of the prisoner as soon as possible and to bring his family life back to normal. During his meeting with the general, Dr. Sadao, he disclosed everything about the prisoner. But since then, Sadao was indispensable to the general, and the doctor's possible arrest for harboring an enemy would affect him as well. He told Sadao that he would send his private assassins at night who would silently kill the prisoner and dispose of the body. Sadao thought it best not to scare Hannah by telling her about the plan, so he kept it all to his own self. He did not tell his wife that secret assassins would come and kill the prisoner somewhere on some night. He went to check on the boy who was now out of bed. Tom, that was what his name was given. Tom thanked Sadao for saving his life. Now, Sadao's conscience pricked him, and he could not sleep for 3 nights altogether, anticipating the arrival of assassins because he knew that the assassins would come any night. He had sleepless nights thinking when would they come and kill him. Unable to take it anymore, he was not able to take any more pressure. He devised a plan for Tom's escape. He revealed to Tom, that is the American prisoner, that the authorities knew of his presence in his house and that he would give him his boat, which would be rowed at night to an uninhabited, submerged and unprotected island that was nearby. He also warned him not to take help from anyone else except a Korean fishing boat. Now, when night approached, Sadao dragged his boat to the shore, put enough food, bottled water, and gave 2 quilts to Tom. He did not let Hannah know anything about the escape plan. He checked Tom's health status and gave him his own flashlight, asking to signal two flashes at the instant the sun dropped over the horizon, in case he ran out of food, so that he would supply him with food as well. He warned him against using fire, as fire could be spotted very easily. He dressed him up in Japanese outfits and he tied a black cloth about his blond head as well. The American shook his head warmly and moved and rode away. Sadao then went to the general, and after operating upon him, he informed him that the prisoner had escaped. The general said that he had been unwell and had not been able to think about anything other than his own health, and so he had forgotten to send the assassins at all. Now, both the men, that is Sadao and the general, they decided to keep this particular event a secret. That night, Sadao was sure that the American had been saved. Meanwhile, the servants they returned to Sadao's household and life became normal once again. But Dr. Sadao kept thinking about all the Americans that he knew, because he had studied in America. He had learned to become a surgeon in America itself. He remembered Professor Hawley, his wife, whom he had met in America, his old anatomy teacher who taught him so much, his landlady who gave him shelter and nursed him through influenza despite the prejudice against Japanese in America. Remembering the young tortured prisoner, Sadao wondered why he had been unable to kill him. For today, dear children, I hope all of you have understood the lesson well. Please go through the PDF text as well. In case of any doubts or queries, do post in the comment section of your Google Classroom. Stay safe. God bless you all.